it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight we're making a very quick, very easy fried rice recipe. So what I've done so that you don't have to watch me brown chicken is browned up 500 grams of chicken mince in a tablespoon of oil. Now that I've got that done, I'm going to get going with the rest of the fried rice and it should come together really quickly. So I'm going to add some garlic. I've got here about 3 cloves of garlic. Now, you can also add chili powder if you want. Not chili powder, you can add chili if you want. I actually had no chilies on hand, so I'm just doing the garlic today. But if you were adding chili and you'd add that to taste, you'd add that at this point as well. So you just want to cook it through until it becomes fragrant. And that should only take a couple of seconds. And this is a really easy recipe, weeknight dinner. Like, it's a Tuesday night where I am. I'm just making a really quick dinner, and it'll also become lunch for me tomorrow. So it's serving double duties. It makes about, depending on whether you're serving this with something else or you're serving it as a main dish, it'll make between 4 and 6 servings. The next thing I'm going to add is I've got 2 cups of frozen mixed vegetables, and they've already been diced. So in this mix we've got carrot, corn and peas. This is it only has 6 ingredients, so it's not something where you have to go labouring to find ingredients. It's really quick, really easy, and yeah, it's really tasty too. So you just want to get those vegetables thawed and heated through before you go on with the next step. So here I'm adding half a cup of oyster sauce. And then I'm going to add a 400 gram package of pre-cooked steamed fried rice. And I should have actually broken up the fried rice in the package instead of trying to do it in the pan, but that's okay. We'll make it work. The last thing that you need to do is add some chopped Thai basil. So I'm just going to add that in and just stir that through, and that's what you'd stir through at the very end. So now I'm going to serve it and enjoy. I hope you liked this video. I hope you consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time on Do It Frugal. Bye!